Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best portable cooker is probably one of the most convenient travel companions you can have. Imagine enjoying hot, home-cooked meals wherever your adventures take you. This video will explore the best portable electric cookers, perfect for road trips, camping, or even just making a quick meal in your hotel room. We'll dive into what makes these cookers stand out and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Electric Lunchbox, ADW Portable Food Warmer. Tired of cold lunches? This food warmer lunchbox lets you enjoy hot, homemade meals wherever you are. It's a healthier choice than fast food, perfect for anyone who values convenience and good nutrition. This portable food warmer adapts to your needs with multiple voltage settings. Whether you're in a car, truck, or at your office desk, it's easy to enjoy a warm meal. It is designed for both men and women. With ADW of power, this electric lunchbox heats your food quickly, in just 20 to 30 minutes. You can enjoy a swift and homemade hot meal anywhere, without needing any extra equipment. Made with stainless steel, this hot lunchbox ensures food hygiene and safety. You can enjoy your meals with peace of mind, knowing that the materials prioritize your well-being. Cleaning is a breeze with this heated lunchbox, thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. It also has a generous 1.5 L capacity, perfect for carrying ample portions of your favorite foods. What we like. This electric lunchbox offers the convenience of enjoying hot, homemade meals wherever you are. With its versatile voltage settings, it's perfect for cars, trucks, or the office. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to fast food and want the flexibility to eat well on the go, you should consider this. What people say. It heats up quickly and is super convenient for job sites and on-the-go meals. It traps the condensation well and there is a relief valve on top. It comes with 2 electric cords that you can either plug into a wall outlet in your home or the accessory outlet in your car. Warms food perfectly. Number 4. Electric heated lunchbox for men and women. Tired of cold lunches? This electric lunchbox lets you enjoy hot, homemade meals wherever you are. It's a healthier and more convenient alternative to fast food. This portable food warmer adapts to your needs with multiple voltage settings. Whether you're in a car, truck, or at your desk, it's easy to enjoy a warm meal. With ADW of power, this electric lunchbox heats your food quickly, in just 20 to 30 minutes. You can enjoy a hot meal anywhere, anytime, without any hassle. Made with stainless steel, this hot lunchbox ensures food hygiene and safety. You can enjoy your meals with peace of mind, knowing it's made with safe materials. This heated lunchbox is designed for easy cleanup and offers a generous 1.5 L capacity. Cleaning is a breeze, and it's perfect for carrying ample portions. What we like. This electric lunchbox allows you to savor hot, homemade meals on the go, a healthier alternative to cold or fast food. It adapts to your needs with versatile voltage settings, perfect for cars, trucks, or office desks. If you value convenience and nutrition, you should consider this. What people say. He simply plugs it in about a half hour before lunchtime, and he has a hot meal ready. The container is quite big. Calienta bastante bien. Los utensilios son pequeños de metal. Fácil de limpiar. Number 3. Audecook 2L Electric Hot Pot and 8-inch Pan. This Audecook electric pot is designed for multi-cooking. It allows you to steam and cook at the same time, preserving nutrients and flavor. It's a convenient way to prepare a complete meal. With dual power settings, this hot pot caters to various cooking needs. Use the low setting for delicate dishes, or the high setting for steaming and sautéing. It's perfect for any cooking situation. The interior features a non-stick coating, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. It's PFOA-free and made with food-grade materials, ensuring your food is safe and healthy. You'll love how easy it is to maintain. The 360 degrees annular heating base ensures quick and even heating. It also has overheating protection, automatically shutting off if it gets too hot. This feature makes it safe and efficient. This mini hot pot is perfect for travel, dorms, and camping. Its compact size and non-slip design make it easy to carry and stable on any surface. It's your ideal cooking companion on the go. What we like. This hot pot is designed for multi-cooking purposes, with a removable steamer and dual power control. The non-stick coating prevents food from sticking, making cleanup easy. If you like cooking a variety of dishes in a compact and portable design, you should consider this. What people say. Lasted a year of daily use, as an only cooking item, this thing is amazing. It really is non-stick, your food will never burn and char the pan unlike other brands I have tried. The steam vents in the lid make this so easy to drain the boiling water from cooked pasta. It's my favorite feature. It functions perfectly, no sticking, and extremely easy cleanup is a bonus. Number 2. Topwit 1.5L Electric Hot Pot. This Topwit hot pot features dual power settings, 250W and 600W. It's perfect for making oatmeal or cooking steak. You can easily switch between settings for various meals. With a 1.5L capacity, it's ideal for 1 to 2 people. The long handle ensures a comfortable grip. It provides plenty of space for cooking and makes cleaning easier. The electric skillet uses a food-grade non-stick coating. This keeps food from sticking and makes cleaning easy. It allows you to use less oil for healthier cooking. This electric pot is easy to store and carry, perfect for dorms or small spaces. It replaces multiple kitchen gadgets, making delicious meals simple even on busy days. Equipped with a round-shaped heating element, it heats food evenly. It also has overheating and boil-dry protection. This effectively protects the pot from damage. What we like. This electric pot features dual power settings for versatile cooking options. Its ideal capacity is perfect for 1 to 2 people, making it great for small spaces. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use cooker for your daily meals, you should consider this. What people say. It works, only on low, with my 600-watt pure sine wave inverter. Super easy to clean. Perfect size for 1 or 2 people. Nice steamer basket. Appears to be stainless steel. Number 1. Self-cooking electric lunchbox, portable food warmer. Introducing the self-cooking electric lunchbox. This portable food warmer lets you enjoy hot meals on the go. It's perfect for the office or anywhere without a kitchen. This electric lunchbox features a double-layer design with an 800 milliliters capacity. It includes 2 304 stainless steel containers, ideal for your favorite dishes. Each container comes with a plastic cover. Simply plug it in 20 to 40 minutes before mealtime, and it will heat up your food. You can enjoy warm, home-cooked meals effortlessly. It's that easy. The 304 stainless steel containers and inner lids are dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze. Remember, the heating bays should be cleaned with a wet or dry towel. It has a leak-proof seal to prevent spills. The package includes the double-layer lunchbox, 2 stainless steel containers, an urn cup, and a wall plug. Excellent after-sales service is always available. What we like. This self-cooking lunchbox features a double-layer design with stainless steel containers. It's easy to use, just plug it in, and enjoy hot food. If you have a busy lifestyle and want a simple way to enjoy warm meals at work or on the go, you should consider this. What people say. The 2 dishes have plastic covers. I can leave the heating unit at work, pack lunch at home and carry it separately from the heating unit. I don't have to use or wash more dishes than necessary. It has the highest wattage of all I looked at. It should heat faster and perhaps last longer than others. I just received my lunchbox today and I was excited to try the rice cooking features. I ended up spending half the day experimenting with different recipes that included noodles, rice, steamed vegetables and even a chicken teriyaki from a state of raw. So far everything I tried came out perfectly. The steamed vegetables were perfectly done without being soggy, the noodles cooked just right and so did the rice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.